Subscribe to this channel. Not only do you get 2 free recipes every week, but a lot of the recipes you can use 100 different ways. So you get 2 recipes, but if you can use one of them 100 different ways, you get 102 recipes. Imagine that. And today's recipe, tzatziki sauce. You can use tzatziki sauce so many different ways, it's crazy. Use it on hamburgers, use it on sandwiches. It replaces cream cheese. It can replace butter like on a bagel. Wonderful stuff. I got a few secrets to make an excellent tzatziki sauce. Nice, rich, flavorful. Let's get cooking. We're going to start with the cucumber. What I'm going to use is an English cucumber because it has less moisture in it, no seeds in it, and I can use the whole thing, including the skin. Don't forget, it comes wrapped in plastic, so you gotta take the plastic off. Don't cook with the plastic on. You can't eat that. I leave the skin on. I don't mind the skin. It gives you a little texture. Good stuff. And we start by grating the cucumber. There's a ton of water in the cucumber. Watch this. Oh my goodness. Squeeze out the water as best you can and throw it into a bowl. There's your cucumber. Now we're going to do something else to get even more water out of here. And I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of salt. There we go. I'm going to mix that in. Get that out of there. I'm going to let this rest, relax, and the salt's going to draw more water out of my cucumber. First thing we put in is lemon. I'm going to use a half a lemon. I stick a fork in it and I squeeze it. Watch how much juice comes out when you do this with the fork. Ooh, that's a lot of juice in that lemon. I put the lemon in first so that if any seeds fall in, I can always take them out. Here, there's no seeds in there. But half a lemon, you got a good tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon plus a teaspoon of lemon juice in there. That's good. That's a good amount. Next, we're going to work with garlic. I use 3 cloves. And 3 cloves of garlic. And when you chop garlic, what you do is put the knife on the garlic, hit the knife. See? It smashes the garlic. Easy to chop. Smash the garlic, smash the garlic. Now, you can chop it. I slice it up, and then I chop it up. There you go. Next, we need some herbs in there. Now, usually for the herbs, we use dill. That's a classic in tzatziki, a little dill. But I'm going to change it because I want to use this sauce for a lot of different things, like to put on a hamburger, to put on a bagel, to put, let's say, on grilled vegetables. A lot of different uses. If you use dill, it gets a little bit sour because dill is like kind of a sour taste to it. But if we use another fresh herb that also goes well with tzatziki, we have more uses for the tzatziki. So what I'm going to use is fresh oregano. It's going to give it a whole different dimension, great flavor, and a nice brightness. Ooh, fresh oregano is fantastic. Okay, I just want the leaves. So you can hold the stem and just strip the leaves right off. And I want about a tablespoon of fresh oregano. I don't want it to make an oregano sauce. I just want the oregano to enhance the sauce I'm going to make. So I take these and kind of bunch them up and kind of roll them up as best I can, like that, and then slice it very thin, as thin as I can. Any leafy kind of herb, you just want to slice it very thin. They're called chiffonade. I'm making an oregano chiffonade. And that's what it looks like. Hey, you can also use mint, very nice. Basil, which is kind of in the mint family. You can also use dill if you want to. Don't be afraid of that. I like oregano. Give me a little interesting flavor. It's going to be delicious. Wait till you see this. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Next is a yogurt. Now, I use a full fat, 5% fat yogurt. It's not vegan. It is vegetarian. But don't forget that here we're almost vegan. So if we use a vegan yogurt, it's going to be a different texture. It's going to be a little bit lighter. You're not going to have that yogurt depth of flavor. So it will be a little different. You can use vegan yogurt if you want. That's okay. I choose to use Greek yogurt, 5% fat. I want that fat content. I want that richness. And we're going to use 2 cups of yogurt. Now comes the cucumber. Remember we squeezed out all that water, right? But watch this now, because we added the salt to it. Gonna squeeze it out some more. Really good now. Squeeze it really good. Look how much more water we got out of it, okay? This would go into your tzatziki. Not only would it make it watery, but it would make it kind of green color. You don't want tzatziki to be green. You want it to be white. That white represents creaminess. That's going to be delicious. Okay, now, we use the whole cucumber. 1 whole cucumber, right? It's a big cucumber. Look how much we have. That's not a whole lot. A lot of the cucumber is just water. And now I mix it in with the yogurt. And I finish it with some freshly ground black pepper. That's terrific. About 1/4 teaspoon. I want you to see how nice and rich this is. Look how thick that is. That's what you want. Ooh, that's fantastic. You can spread this on a bagel. You can put it on pancakes. You can do whatever you want with it. It's really rich and really delicious. Hey, check out my tzatziki sauce. Tzatziki! I can't spell it, but I sure can eat it on anything. So versatile. Great, great sauce. Delicious, yummy. Hey, you know what else is yummy? Check out my guacamole made with pineapple. That's right, you heard me correct. Made with pineapple. Check that video out. And I'll see you there.